Introduction. Styling text is a core part of CSS, cascading style sheets. CSS is used to style and lay out web pages. One of the fundamental aspects of styling text is setting the font size. Different methods to define CSS font size: %, rem, viewport width, pixel. Pixels are the most common unit used to define font size. They are absolute units representing a fixed size. Point. Points are another absolute unit traditionally used in print media. 1 point is equal to 1/72 of an inch, recommended for print style sheets, not for screen displays. Percent values are relative units relative to the parent element's font size. Is another relative unit based on the current font size of the element itself. Can be useful for creating scalable designs, but can lead to compounding sizes that are difficult to manage. Rem is similar to em, but is always relative to the root HTML element. Rem avoids the compounding problem of em. Viewport width units are relative to the width of the viewport. 1 unit represents 1% of the viewport's width. Common mistakes and tips. Avoid using absolute units like pixels for responsive design. Be aware of the compounding issue when using em. Use rem when you want all elements to scale in relation to a base size. Be careful with using VW for font sizes, as it can make text too small on smaller screens. Always check your design on multiple screen sizes to ensure readability.